Sir, repeatedly last 3 years, we are saying about that the benefits of the Manrega is not being extended to the West Bengal. Answer of the honorable ministers are consistently is that, this is a minister who has made you minister. Who has made you minister? Sir, आपको नहीं आपको पीछे आपको पीछे
आप प्रश्न से आप डिबेट नहीं करें.
Now the constantly the stand which has been taken by the ministry that there are fraud cases are there of 25 lakhs, and we are repeatedly saying you take immediate steps in this matter. We don't have any objection. You initiate criminal proceeding. You arrest them. We don't have any difficulties. But taking the name of 25 lakhs false card, you can't stop the benefits to the 10 crores people of the West Bengal. Sir, my question is, whether will you implement or not implement? If there is a corruption, why you are not taking them into the custody? Why you are not taking steps? But you can't say that it will not be believed. Giriraj Singh, this is not accepted. You are a central minister. You are behaving like this. You are behaving like this. What is this? Therefore, you can't take steps. No. Why Giriraj Singh will pass the comment? Don't do this thing. Don't do this thing.
West Bengal has been deprived of funds from central government under Manrega and PM Awas scheme was raised by Professor Saugata Roy and Ms. Sayani Ghosh. I'm not sure if she's here. He is here, but member Sayani Ghosh is not there. But, yes ma'am, I'd like to, through you, put the facts before. Like every year, every other year, the state PMAY Gramin, Awas Yojana Gramin, was being implemented in West Bengal since 2016-17. The government has also released 25,798 crore as central share to the state since 2016-17. However, complaints of irregularities in the implementation of PMAY Gramin, including a selection of ineligible households from the Awas Plus 2018 list, removal of eligible households, and renaming of the scheme in the state as Bangla Awas Yojana have been received. The ministry has sought action taken report from the state government. Similarly, ma'am, and again, I've said this even earlier in very many different sessions, for under the Manrega, complaints of misappropriation of funds have been received by the government. Upon inquiry by central teams, the complaints were proven to be correct. And madam, I may add, the central team was accompanied by the state team as well when they went on inspection. They were proven incorrect. The complaints were proven correct, and not following the rule was clearly established. The Rural Development Department had sought latest status of action taken report. Now, the state government has submitted the ATRs, which are being examined by the Ministry of Rural Development. That's the current position, ma'am, on the question which Professor Saugata Roy has raised. Yeah, please.
What I want to suggest or what I want to submit, if any corruption happens in any part of the state, total amount of money why it is being kept stopped, where possibility of inquiries appears, central team, state team jointly detected any area, stop sending money over there. But for few places or for one or two places, you are blocking the total money. What would be my suggestion, what would be my request to you, to release the amount to the particular state who have due from the center more than 1 lakh crore of rupees as a whole. So would you kindly take up these two issues, Manrega and Awas Yojana? I also want to request you, wherever corruptions reports are there, block money over there. But don't stop the full money
As a
for
whole.
so many as a whole for the total state.
But haven't we stopped it on that ground only now?
Yes. Please, Honorable Member.
Ma'am, Chairperson, the Honorable Member is putting forth a suggestion, saying stop it where the corruption has happened, don't stop entirely. We've not stopped entirely for all over the country. We've stopped where the corruption has happened. उनके सुझाव है कि मैं पूरे देश में रोकना नहीं है, जहां करप्शन हो रहा है वहां रोकने के लिए मैं वही तो कर रही हूं। बंगाल में करप्शन हुआ, उसको रोकूं। मैंने गलत समझा है क्या? हाँ हाँ जी, आपके ओन स्टेट के विषय में ही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना। यू वांट इंग्लिश और यू वांट माई टूटा फूटा हिंदी? Oh, you're saying in the state of Bengal, जहां करप्शन हुआ वहां ना देना, बाकी जगह पर देना। ये मैं कैसे तय करूं जी? मैं कैसे तय करूं? Madam Chairperson, even when I don't stop, even when I don't delay, even when I give an advance payment of, when I have to give 1 month, I'm giving 2 months, I'm accused of differential treatment to different states. अरे करप्शन हुआ ये साबित हो गया है और सेंट्रल टीम और स्टेट टीम भी साथ में गए हैं और उधर पेमेंट का रिक्लेम करो, ऐसे आदेश मिलने के बाद रिक्लेम ना करते हुए दोबारा ट्रेशरी से ही उसको भरपाई कर रहे हैं, मतलब करप्शन हुआ। उसके बाद मैं कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करूं? पूर्व मेदिनीपुर में नहीं हुआ, नॉर्थ बंगाल में हुआ नहीं, साउथ परगाना 24 परगाना में, मैं कैसे तय करूं? मैं कैसे तय करूं मैडम? और तय भी करूं, किसको मान्यता होगा? बंगाल चुपचाप अगर मानते हैं तो भी बाकी स्टेट्स मुझके ऊपर को गुस्सा नहीं करेंगे। ये आप कौन होते हो करने के लिए? सो पूरे इसको साफ करने के लिए मैं आपके द्वारा रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूं, बंगाल गवर्नमेंट को साफ करो भाई। फिर आते हम, जितना भी प्रश्न उठाया गया उसको स्पष्टीकरण दो, एक्शन में दिखाओ, फिर कौन रोकने वाले हैं आपके पैसा? बिल्कुल देंगे, आपके पैसों देंगे।
दिन तक आप ये करेंगे, आपका जो पर्पस टू मेक योर पार्टी मोर इन्फ्लुएंस इन द स्टेट, इट विल नेवर हैपन. Result will always be 6-0. Give money to the state. Poor people, hungry people are crying for hunger. So take care. I repeat you, I request you with folded hand, सारे टाका, all money being kept detained. It cannot happen for a particular state.
Madam Chairperson, I fully appreciate the concern. Our intention is not to put anybody to difficulty. But strictly, if you allow me 1 minute of indulgence, for the political observation which honorable member has made, आप जब तक ये करते रहोगे आपका सीट नहीं मिलेगा बंगाल में, मान लो ये सच है, फिर आपको क्या दिक्कत हो रही है भाई? खुश रहो, पूरे जीतो, पूरे आराम से बैठो ना। हो रही है दिक्कत, जनता देख रही है, गरीब के पैसा किसके हाथ में जा रहे, पार्टी वर्कर्स में हाथ में जा रहे, ये अभी खुलासा हो गया है, इसीलिए दिक्कत हो रही है उधर, इसीलिए दिक्कत हो रही है। और जब हम उसके लिए और जब हम उसके लिए तैयार हैं, आते हैं स्टेट में, आपकी टीम के साथ ही जाते हैं, अकेला नहीं जाते हैं। आपके टीम साथ में रहने के बाद भी दिखता है कि घपला हुआ, उसको सही करने के लिए मौका भी देते हैं, फिर भी आप यही राजनीतिक भाषा बोलते हो, नहीं जब तक ये करोगे बीजेपी नहीं आए। नहीं जी, देश अच्छा होना है, मोदी जी का संकेत यही है, अच्छा करप्शन रहित गरीब को जो पैसा मिलना है वो मिलना चाहिए। जहां घपला होते हैं हम साथ नहीं रहने वाले हैं।